now I'm in Muxia. Very windy and very cold day. Even though this is beautiful, it is windy and cold. But I'm only staying here for a couple of hours. I'll be taking a bus to Santiago at 4 p.m. and then staying the night in Santiago, and then the day, and then going back home tomorrow night. Yeah, so I took a bus here, got my stamp, and yeah, now I'm going to the other end of the world. Had a cheesecake, which was lovely, but I also will need some, lunch or whatever at some point. So once I get back from the sugar everywhere. Once I get back from the end, I will find somewhere to sit down and have lunch, and then wait for my bus to Santiago. And this is my last day in Santiago. Just enjoying the square. Lots and lots of people arriving. Lots of cheers. It's a cool vibe. And I wandered around town today. I did some shopping, got some souvenirs. And yeah, I'm ready to go home. So I guess this is it. This is bye. Bye from Santiago and bye to Santiago. Bye to the Camino.